This is the Iowa Weather Report for Friday, December 12th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run at noon today. Still that system over New England, slowly dissipating and filling in as it's moving off to the north and east. But it's the system off to our south and west over the California coast. Southern California and the Intermountain West is one we're going to have to watch. It's bringing a lot of rain, brought a lot of rain across the area around San Francisco. A lot of flooding there, a lot of snow in the Sierras. That's going to be moving in our direction toward the weekend. But around here, it's still cloudy. A couple peaks of sun here and there, but lots of clouds for the time being as even we head into Saturday. Readings today will be in the 30s and 40s, 40s and a couple of 50s possible. In fact, quite a few lower 50s as we move into Saturday. And then Sunday, it looks like we could see a little bit of rain around, likely in the form of drizzle, maybe a little bit of showery activity. But the heaviest precipitation will likely come in Sunday night through the day on Monday. It will likely be in the form of some rain. Here is Monday. But it will change over to some snow in our western counties Monday afternoon, and there could be some accumulation there. It's a little too early to determine that at this point, but there could be some there. The rest of the state could see still rain and then end of snow Monday night into early Tuesday. The system will be off to our east on Tuesday, but there will be slow clearing. We've seen a lot of clouds lately, so this likely will be a slow clear, and temperatures will be struggling Tuesday, around 30 degrees or so. But here's our twist. We have an upper-level feature over North Dakota, Manitoba, and Saskatchewan that's going to start to bring in the next system from the west. You see it over the southwest. The Gulf begins to open up. And as we move into Thursday, you can see it is starting to precipitate. A little bit of rain possible, maybe some wintry mix, depending on temperatures at this point. It's a little too early to tell what the temperatures may be at this point. Something we're going to have to watch. And then as we move toward next Friday, there's that upper-level feature we mentioned up in North Dakota, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, right in that area. And a system coming in on the base of it is going to kick up a new low-pressure center somewhere around Arkansas or so. As you look at the surface map, there it is. That could bring some thunderstorms down there, some heavy rain even as far north as Chicago, but we could see some rain or snow in our area. We have plenty of time to watch this, and we'll get better pinpoint later on. Going further into the period, the 23rd of December, trough axis off to our east, flow coming out of southern Canada and the Pacific. That would tend to bring maybe slightly warmer temperatures after a cool down from this system. You can see the cold air diving straight into the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley system off the coast. A little bit of snow there. Around here, looks like temperatures would be near seasonal levels, but slowly warming. But don't expect that to last, because by the end of the forecast, the 27th, flow is still mainly zonal, but by this point we will have had an Arctic front come crashing through Christmas Eve, which could bring us a little bit of snow. And as you can see, when we look at the surface map, you can see a little bit of snow around here on the 27th, bit of rain down in the south, no real big disturbances around outside the Canadian Maritimes and out in the Pacific, but something we're going to have to watch. Satellite image from last evening showed the storm over the northeast beginning to fill and slowly begin to dissipate, but the clouds around here are being hard to dissipate. We had a couple of sunshine peaks in our eastern counties, and the storm out west continues. Speaking of that storm out west, the watch morning map from last evening had a lot of advisories: flood warnings, flood advisories, flood watches, wind advisories, high wind warnings, winter storm warnings and advisories, a bit of fog in the plains, and a little bit of wintry advisories continuing over the eastern Great Lakes. QPF chart: precipitation over the next 5 days through Tuesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing the heaviest precipitation still out west. That's with 2 storms. Around here, maybe about a half an inch of precipitation, could be in the form of rain and or snow.